what I gotta do today.
How you doing?
Very good. Finally made it here. Oh, I remember this one. Wow. It was a golf ball hit. And I'm going to attempt to do this one inside of framing, because I'm going to hope to use these two openings to sand down the backside of the dent. You could zap it and shrink it, and then while this is off, I'll sand down all the metal there so the magnet can work. But coming through here and getting it good enough for to zap, that's the hard part. How am I going to sand through those holes? We'll see. Now this is some stretched metal. Look at that. This is a golf ball hit on a very flimsy van, Dodge van here. And this thing is hit hard. That's pretty epic. All right, so that's it. Sitting up, trying to shrink it, but I don't think I can. We'll see. That's pretty high. Getting a little closer. Right there. Yeah, it's still pretty high. I mean, I'm not done yet. Maybe before it gets dark, I just wanted to show you where I'm at. So a long way to go, but still nothing like it was. Just gotta keep going. Got it on full power, and it's inside the bracing, but I was able to get kind of a makeshift electrode inside there, and this is coming out. Next show up tomorrow morning to finish it up, but this is what it looks like. Not too shabby. Still got a little ways to go, but not too bad. It's amazing what this zapper can do. Yeah, you can see it right there. Gotta get the pattern out and I'm done. Okay, here's the second day, or just the morning. Just gotta wrap it up. All right, so the next step is to just e-coat that again, spray it on there, and I'm done. All done with this Dodge ProMaster van. And when people tell you that the paint flops on silver, it's not accurate actually. Maybe with other techniques, but not with the system I use of Paintless Dent Repair, or the method that I follow. Paintless Dent Repair shouldn't damage the paint, and nor should it, as they call it, flop the silver. Silver metallic is just fine to work on. It's definitely a little flutter because the golf ball is going to make that impression of the pattern in the ball. But I got it as tight as I could. I don't do any wet sanding, so that's the result I come up with. If he wants the wet sand, he can. This customer is a airline mechanic, so he just wanted his original hood kept, and that's what we accomplished. I'm really surprised as to how well this responded to shrinking, and it's because it's high strength metal. Also, something to consider, a lot of people studying paintless dent repair are being taught that silver metallic flops or gets damaged when they do paintless dent repair, And that's not true. I'm a 30-year technician, and it doesn't happen, at least to me. And I know I use a different method than many others out there, but it's just something that it's never been a problem. I don't know why it happens to others. I would think it's from pushing too sharp of a tool. I don't recommend that in my training, and this is a good result and a good example of that. You don't have to learn other concepts where you have to wet sand the top surface and worry about flopping the metallic, as they say. Not with Paintless Dent Repair, using the method wide directional pushing. Finished with that dent. Now, the customer wants me to do this one. And that's not going to be easy because it's the double panel. Kind of see it slightly bent from the impact. And this is strictly just tapping it out through the double wall, which is really tough to do. I'm going to give it my best try. Let's see what I come up with. All right, all done with this. Came in from those holes right there. You do your best to straighten them out, but they get covered up. One of the clips broken. Mentioned that to the customer. Not a problem. And that's it. Looks good. Let's see what it looks like. All right, let's look at it this way. Damage is right there. Shade it for a little bit. Yeah, right there. Not perfect, but came out pretty nice actually, considering what it was. Came out nice, and he's really happy about it. Okay, there you go. Well, thanks for watching. This is Sal from Dent Experts, fixing the hood on this Dodge Ram for a customer who wanted it done nice. Thanks for watching.